Tonkei, member for Narok.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I raise up on this motion to oppose it. Madam Speaker, I can see the Honorable Wanyonyi, who is my friend, looking at me badly. But Madam Speaker, I come from a community where we own chunks of land, and this land is not idle, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, if I sit in this house and allow this law to pass, Madam Speaker, I'll not be doing the right thing as a representative of the people of Narok County, and generally the pastoralists who have many acres of land. Madam Speaker, the issue of fragmentation is okay. I agree with that part. But when it comes to land use and limitation of land, Madam Speaker, this is not fair to the people who have land. There is no idle land in Kenya, Madam Speaker. Every owner of a land has a land, and rightfully that land belongs to people of that particular place. Madam Speaker, we have group ranches in Narok, we have group ranches in Samburu, and we have group ranches even in Kajiado. And this land is community land, and it's not idle. When you look at many acres, Madam Speaker, that, for example, I have, those acres belong to my animals, and my animals will graze there. Some land I live there. Some land are used for other purposes like farming. And therefore, Madam Speaker, when we come to such a piece of legislation which will oppress other people, then I think, Madam Speaker, it will not be fair to the pastoralist communities. Madam Speaker, if we want to deal with the issues of fragmentation, I agree with the honorable member who said that, Madam Speaker, let us educate our people. And in that case, for those people who are unfortunate, who come from places where there are no plenty land or acres, then can we build maybe story buildings so that we can have our people live there, but don't go to the extent of limiting people on the land, on the acreage they own. Madam Speaker, I oppose this motion and I do not support it. Thank you.